Hello everyone. Today, as you read in the title down below, I'm going to declutter my desk. Yeah, as you can see in the background, I have so much stuff and I just want to throw away a lot more stuff because when I threw away my books in 2 or 3 videos ago, I felt so like relieved and so happy and like a little bit like calmer as well. So I'm like, okay, I should throw away a lot more stuff, you know? And as you can see, I have so many things and like they're just taking up space. I just want to clean up all of this and get rid of a lot of stuff, and like there's many things I don't even use anymore, and even DVDs. There's a lot of DVDs I don't watch as well. So I'm gonna clean up my desk, and it's gonna be Marie Kondo style, meaning like I'm gonna use her steps because when I decluttered my books, I feel like it helped out a lot. So yeah, let's begin. I'm not gonna declutter the stuff on top because I feel like it's already too much. I'm just gonna start with the DVDs and I'm gonna place them in my bed. Yeah, I'm gonna start from the top to bottom. Yeah, because I feel, oh, should I put everything in one spot? Oh my gosh, this is getting overwhelming. You know what, no. I'm gonna start from the top, put it all in one spot, and then this side, and then all these. And then the sides, I don't know if I'm gonna, I should actually do these too because it's a lot, it's so much. You can't even see it. It is so much stuff. So I finally removed, ew, okay, it looks really, ew, hold up. Okay, better. All right, so I finally removed all my DVDs, and here are all my DVDs. Holy cow. Okay, just to let you know, this isn't a bootleg one. I just didn't have the case for it. Oopsie. So it is, what is it? Scott Pilgrim. Okay, just to let you know, there's gonna be 3 of them that have these. Okay, now let's get back. Okay, so what Marie Kondo says is to tap them to wake them up. So tap, 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 tap. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. And what she does is she looks at the item and she asks if it brings joy, if it sparks joy. There you go. And the Pinocchio, yes, I love Pinocchio so much. I was so happy when they took it out of the vault, and when I found out, I like quickly went to Target and bought it. And I don't know if you can hear this, but it's, wow, it's raining even harder. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's raining outside and I love it. Okay. It's nice. It's so calming and peaceful, and I'm filming on a Sunday, and it's been like really nice, you know? Okay, so I'm keeping Pinocchio. I really hope you guys could see this. Keeping Pinocchio. The Incredible Mr. Limpet. Love this movie. I haven't watched it in a while though. Why does it have, holy cow. I don't know if I should just get rid of it. Does it spark joy? Not really. It really doesn't. I'll give it to my cousin. She loves this movie a lot, and I'm just like, it's a cute movie, but it doesn't spark joy. So I'll just put it here. No joy? Yes, joy. The Little Giants. I love this movie so much. It's so cute, and I don't know. I like this movie. It sparks joy. Okay, Zathura. Okay, so I got this movie as a Christmas present, and it really doesn't spark joy for me, so I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, so the Batman Lego. I love this movie so much, you guys. I cannot wait until the second one comes out. I know it's for kids, but you know what? It's okay. And the little tagline that says, always be yourself, unless you can be Batman. I love it. Okay. Whew. Okay, I honestly thought that this was gonna be hard, but it's really easy. Then I'm gonna jinx myself. Now, I don't know if you've seen this anime. It's Magic Knight Rare. This is the 2nd season. This is the 1st. I love this movie so much. And not this movie, sorry. I love this show. And I don't know, it still sparks joy. I haven't finished the last one. I also have the manga version of this, just the 2nd one, not the 1st one. And it's a really good show. Honestly, it's a good show. I'm keeping it. Oh my god. Okay, so Monty Python. So funny, you guys. This movie is so hilarious. I got this at Swap Meet for $1, and I was like, yes. It was a bargain, and the movie is funny, and I've seen some other stuff from them. I don't remember where I watched it, but I remember watching their other stuff. So yeah, it's really funny. RV, it's an okay movie. Honestly, but I'm never gonna watch it. And it sucks because Robin Williams, he was an amazing actor, and I like JoJo. She's cool too. JoJo, she has an amazing voice by the way. But I'm not gonna watch it ever. I know it. Okay. So Scary Godmother. I don't know if you guys seen this one. This is the second one. I accidentally thought it was the first one, but it was actually the second one, which is the second one's still pretty good. I honestly wish they continued, but I guess not. But such a good movie. But yeah, it's really good. Rise of the Guardians. I like this movie, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna see it again. I'm gonna give it one more try. If I haven't seen it in like 6 months, then I'm just gonna give it away. But I like this movie. I remember liking it. My eyes are starting to hurt. I'm gonna put my glasses here. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, have you guys seen The Page Master? The main character went to the library, and I don't remember it much about it, but then he turned into a cartoon, and he had a lot in a cartoon adventure. Such a good movie. When I saw it like at Best Buy, it was relatively cheap. It was like $5.99 or something like that. I was like, that's a bargain. This is a good movie. I'm skipping like the Blu-rays for some reason. No, because Blu-rays I really do like it. Oh, come on. Ugh. Okay, so this one, Alice, Welcome to a Whole New World. Such a great movie. It's a different take of Alice in Wonderland. And it's really long. It's like 3 hours long or something. 3 hours? I don't remember, but it was pretty long. How many discs does it have? 1. Holy cow. It's a good movie. I really do like it. Spaceball, funny. The Corpse Bride, amazing. Tim Burton, The Nightmare Before Christmas, such a good movie. Okay, so this is how it looks now. I removed about like 6 books. It still looks like I have a lot, but it's okay. Little by little, I'm gonna start getting rid of stuff. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but the whole reason why I want to get rid of stuff, I just want, I don't know, I just feel like my room is like really enclosed, and I want to feel a little bit more like open. So yeah, that's why I am throwing away stuff little by little. So, oops, come on. So next thing is this section right here. Okay, so let me brand it up. Okay, so this is all the stuff. I feel like this one's gonna also be easy to get rid of stuff. So I'm trying to organize them so I could see it better. Like this is books, arts and crafts, makeup, and I do not know. But oh, and nail polishes, obviously. I did get rid of a few things. I'm gonna get rid of this as well because like I haven't used it at all. I've never used these chopsticks. I just use them for like decoration purposes because this anime was really cute. But I don't know if I should just get rid of them because it's cute, but I don't know. I'll think about it. And then I love this design, so I kept it. And then this one, I like this design as well. This one as well. I made these. They're really cute. I'm keeping this obviously because I have change in here. Makeup. Some DIYs, but I like it still. My squishy that Daphne gave me. This doll that the anime from, what is it called? Magical Doremi. Yeah, love that anime. And I have my quarters in here. Oh, this is gonna be kind of hard. I did get rid of stuff, but I want to get rid of more things, and I don't know what. I already got rid of a lot of books. I don't know if I should get rid of more. I do not know. Oh. Okay, small update. I got rid of one nail polish because it was dry. I decided to keep these because I still like them. I'm keeping this ColourPop. And these brushes, I'm going to get rid of them because I've had them for so long and I don't even use them. I'm just going to put them aside. This brush goes here because it's for DIY. And this cup, I'm just going to put ones I normally have in here. Perfect. And then I have some more brushes here, but I like the little packaging, so I'm keeping it in here. Keeping this. And these, I don't know anymore. Yeah, no, I think that's good. I don't know what else to get rid of. So this is my favorite section because it's like the most simplest stuff I have. It's basically a few books and like nail polish. I don't remember where these go. Do they go here? Probably. No, this one doesn't go here. It goes here, I think. Side note, these, I suggest you guys reading these two books. They're so good. Just to let you know, they're from the same universe, but they're two different characters. But yeah, read it, you guys. It's really good. I think it goes here. I don't remember. Probably. And this is really cute. I have USB drives. So yeah, I'm not gonna throw this one away. Oh, this one's new. Okay. I like it. I like putting it here so it won't fall. Please don't fall. Okay, cool. And then this is my little notepad that I got at, or I don't know if my mom bought it for me when she went there, but it's from Nicaragua, and little notepads. I haven't used it because it's really cute. Okay, for nail polish, I keep throwing them away, but like honestly, the only two I use are these two. I don't use this one at all. So I'm just gonna ask if my sister or my mom wants it because it's clear. I don't care for clear. I just use these two. Okay, so for this one, wait, this one's empty. Holy cow. Huh. Okay, all my DIY stuff goes here, so I'm gonna put them right here right now. Okay, now going back to this side. This is a part that I don't like because I feel like there's a lot of stuff that I don't use. It's just there collecting dust. Hopefully I get rid of some more stuff right now. Oh my god, my pimple is so big. I have these little tarot cards from this anime that I used to watch a lot, or like read. I still have the mangas, and it's tarot cards, and it's so cute. So yeah, I don't want to throw this away. Okay, just placing it here, I guess. I don't know. Okay, this I use it a lot, so putting this right here or here. I don't know. I honestly don't know how to do this. Like, this is how it looks, and it's still, for me, it looks really messy. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but for right now, this is how it's gonna look. So yeah, this is how everything looks. I don't like that it's empty in that section, but yeah. Okay. Okay, that's nice. All right, now time for this mess. Oh my goodness, I do not like this. I need to do the sides too. All right, let's get started. Look at all the, why do I have so much stuff? Just to let you know, I'm not throwing stuff away. I'm actually gonna donate them, and just to make that clear. Yeah, I'm taking a little break because this is a little overwhelming. Oh, the dark. Okay, it's a little bit better. So I have all this to organize, and I'm actually getting really tired, but that's not why I turned the camera on. I don't know if you guys do this, but I like to draw a lot, and I've collected so many notebooks throughout the years, and I don't know if I should, like, I have good memories with them, but it's so many. It's a lot of notebooks. Okay, there's 3 here, and there's like more over there, and oh no, I'm running out of battery. If you guys draw, do you throw them away, or what do you do? I don't know. Okay, so my battery is running out, so I'm just gonna start cleaning up really quick, and I'm just gonna show you guys the after. So I just remembered that my sister has the same charger as me, so I asked her for it, and she said yes. So, and luckily it's full, so yay. I honestly think I'm just gonna have the same stuff as I did before, but I'm gonna try to keep this here clean. Obviously, it's not clean right now because I'm putting these away. But yeah, see, I have another sketchbook. Dang, I have so many. Okay, this is like a tone paper, my portfolio, tracing paper, watercolor pad, and they all go here. I still have them hidden, and I forgot I had them. I owned any of them, and so I placed them here so it could be easier for me. And I won these 2 books. I like this one because it's an adventure book, and this one is just like simple, short, really short comic books, and it's funny. It's really funny. Okay, well, side note, not all of them are books. They're like notebooks more than anything. I don't know if you guys remember Happy Bunny, but it was really popular in middle school, and I was obsessed with Happy Bunny. And I found this like in my, somewhere where all my stuff are at, and I started using it. I bought this animation survival kit. It teaches you how to animate. I know I look at it online, but the thing is I get distracted really easily online, so maybe if I like use this instead, it'll be easier. But it's animation, so you still have to go online. But I have an iPad, so I don't have a lot of apps downloaded. So here's the rest of my stuff. So I still have a lot of books. I wasn't able to get rid of some because I like all of them. It looks like a lot. And I bought 3 more books, which they were a good deal. Buy 2 get 1 free. But yeah, I need to stop buying books. Okay, I feel like I should get rid of, well, that's it. I like all of them. All of them spark joy to me. Like how Marie Kondo says, thank you, but it's time to leave. I honestly don't know if it looks less. I feel like it's a lot. Okay, there's still a lot of stuff on my bed. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna quickly show you guys. So let's go. Let's go. If only it was like this. What else can I get rid of? No, I like all of it. I don't know. This is too much. Okay, so side note, I'm getting really tired. And I'm just gonna clean up a little bit here. Not really throw away a lot of stuff in that corner, even though I should. Okay, so here are all the stuff. Okay, so most of these they go on the side. I'm placing this here, this here. I have a little space here, which is a progress, I feel like. But knowing me, I'm gonna somehow fill that up. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the end result. I said it's so weird. So this is the end result, and I told you I was gonna find something to place there, and it's not that bad. But like this part right here, it's killing me. I'll figure out how to put this, but I don't know why. Like that. There's so much stuff here, nothing here. I feel like I should get rid of more things, but I do not want to, but whatever. We're just gonna leave it like that. And this is everything. I love this section because it looks so clean, and all my DVDs. And I know it still looks like a lot. I did throw away a few stuff, you know? And here in the background, I like everything, honestly. And I didn't clean out the bags because I already threw those away like a long time ago, and I used almost all of them. But I like the way it turned out, and I actually don't know what I put in here. What did I put in here? Okay, I'm gonna fill stuff up with here in there for sure. I know that. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, what is it, declutter with me. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos, the decluttering videos, by liking this video. Please subscribe for more content. I also do other different stuff like book reviews, but I haven't done those recently. But yeah, if you like these types of content, please subscribe for more and like this video to let me know if you like these types of videos. And I've been saying videos a lot, but yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.